Good morning, everyone. So in today's episode of Farming with Chef Matt Hammerschmidt, we're going to be asking ourselves, what in the heck is causing this equipment to leak? This one's the leaky one, these two are not. Let's delve into it, shall we? First up on the chopping block is my 251. I have not installed the chain on this yet, but notice it is not leaking. I just got a new chain for this because, well, we'll put it this way. I damaged the previous chain, which I've already got one here with me today. I'm not going to show you how to install a chainsaw chain. This video is not about that. Not in this video, I won't show you. In a future video, I will show you how to install a chainsaw chain, how to adjust the lubrication system, but this is specifically why is my chainsaw leaking bar oil. This saw has been my reliable saw, and it's darn near all set up. Notice, no oil's leaking, none of that. And notice, it's clean on the mating surfaces. That matters. You gotta have these mating surfaces clean. A little oil increase is okay, but notice, mating surface is clean. If you do not make sure these surfaces are clean when you're putting your saw back together, it will leak. And we all know a leaky saw is an expensive saw to keep oil in. We also know a saw that's not set right is going to be even more expensive. But absolutely not going into setting it up here. Look, doing it one-handed. Now, before any of you harp on me. Before you harp on me, please upload a video of you doing this stuff with one hand operating the wrench, one operating the camera. Now, we'll go into a saw that is leaking. This is a pole saw. It is a steel product. You'll notice that all of my 2-cycle stuff are steel products. And there is oil coming all throughout here. It leaked for 4 days on me. But let's find out what's making it leak. One moment, gotta get the correct saw, baby. So here we are. Myself literally just having created myself even more work on the other end of doing video production. I now have to splice 2 videos together. Why is this one leaking? What's the major difference between this one and the other one? What do you know? There's dirt all up in here. All up in here. Look how dirty that is. The fix? It's easy. It is simple. It doesn't take you but 2 minutes to do this. seriously does not take more than 2 minutes to fix this. Take your thinner, wipe that crap off. Flip it over. Take your finger. Okay, now we're on the other side. Take your finger, wipe it off. Okay, we're going to make sure the other side's clean as well. Now, it's important those two holes are clean. It'll blow out other debris. So I did tell a little tiny white lie that we wouldn't be learning how to install bars and chains today. But, oh well. Get that all cleaned off. Get that mating surface clean. Get the contamination out of here. Gotta make sure you get it all out of here. Get that all cleaned off. You really do need to make sure that you have clean mating surfaces or it will leak. And there's the debris there that made it leak that I just wiped off with my thumb. There was debris all up in here. Now, notice I'm doing this one hand. One hand for a bar this size is all you need. Now, you just got to get it lined up where it will fall in place. Still one-handed. Bar cover goes back on. This is an important part. Every part of this process is equally as important. This right here is we're coming up on the part that will require two hands. You'll need to pick up on your bar tip as you tighten down that nut. It doesn't need to be reefed on, but we also need to make sure to set our chain tension so that it barely is sucked up into this bar completely. Just very light pressure on the underside. I'll show you how to do all those adjustments and whatnot later on. Well, I'm going to pause this for a moment. So there you have it, folks. A clean saw is a happy saw. We don't need to go through this saw to know why this one doesn't leak. Because that one doesn't leak. We went through it. That one no longer leaks. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate your time. And until next time, get all your labor done. I've already got all that blown off. Took me 10 minutes to get all this area done with the blowout. Until next time, get your work done. Keep your saw clean. Count the blessings of God. and enjoy.